Welcome to another episode of Ethan at 40 series, where I share my top life and business lessons by the age of 40. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would encourage you to go forth, visit ethanat40.com to get the rest of the video series. In today's topic, I want to talk about the idea of your name is priceless. A couple of years ago, I noticed something amazing. I noticed some people who had built their careers, who had built their professions to to magnitudes that were both national and international. And then something abruptly like that happened. They made a misstep, possibly embezzled funds, or made a lie, or abused someone, or beat someone, and here they are in the papers, and their name appears, and before you know it, their careers or businesses come down crumbling. What happened? What is it that I learned over time? I learned over time that your name is priceless. Sometimes we think that, well, my car, my building, my that is fantastic, and that all those are very valuable. But what is even enduring is your name. I recall one time a lady that I know of who is in my space mentioned something interesting. The dad had passed on, and she said at the funeral there, I said, "Dad, thank you for not shaming us, for not stealing money, and for shaming the family." What she really meant is that the dad really kept their name intact. It remained valuable because it becomes an asset even to your children to say the son of so-and-so, the daughter of so-and-so. The last thing you want to do is for your child to start fearing even referring to your name as the parent. Or even if you're not a parent, it is a fantastic thing for you to keep your name. So what are some of those things that you can do to keep your name intact? Number one, deliver on promises. If you promise to do something, please go forth and do it. Number two, stay away from lies as much as possible. Speak the truth. If you believe in something, say it. If you don't believe in it, don't. Do not start putting up faces, because if you do, sooner rather than later, people will find out. Which brings to the next point, which is, do not be a hypocrite. What I mean by that is, if someone annoyed you, don't pretend like you're happy. If someone, and if you're happy, don't pretend like you're annoyed. So that level of consistency and being a person of candor and authenticity will make your name priceless. Number four, be a kind of person who always adds value. When you go somewhere, add value to someone. I'll tell you, yesterday evening, there is a gentleman who called me. He's my neighbor at a piece of land I have somewhere. I had planted some trees, and we are just neighboring him. And he called me, said, "You know what? I noticed your trees, they're really a good breed, but then I noticed the bush has really grown, so you really need to come and sort it out." And I said, "Hey, do you know someone who can help? Say one of the guys who work near your shambas and the right side." "Yeah, sure." Oh, and then he called me like 4 hours later. I said, "Hey, I found this guy. I talked to this guy. He can do it for this much." Talk to him. He also advised me to do ABCD. And I was like, wow, you know what? I really appreciate you, because not everyone can do what you're doing for me. What he's doing there is he's adding value to me. And in my eyes, he's extremely valuable. So if you go around the world, if you handle your interactions in ways that add value to the other person, over time, it will come rubbing you the right way. So, what's the task for you? The task for you, as I conclude, is this. Think about one or two things that you can do that will enhance your name, that will make you valuable, that will make you priceless. And over time, indeed, you'll get priceless benefits along the way. Determine one or two actions that you can do to enhance your name, to enhance your value. And down the road, indeed, you'll come to celebrate the fact that your name was priceless. To me, do not put a price tag on your name. I've heard of people who change their positions. I've had people in parliament, for example, in the parliament of Uganda, for example, who one day they say this thing, before you know it, you hear that there was this amount of money dished out, and here they are on national television changing their position again. What happened there and then? in the eyes of the public, they are losing their credibility. And that credibility is a cost to the actual value they would have gotten down the road. So that you would rather get incredible value that is consistent down the road rather than get lots of stuff up and they come down, crumbling down in an instant. So protect your name and you'll be protecting your value and your future. Thank you, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye for now. Thank you for watching this video, and if you haven't signed up, please go to ethan@40.com to get the rest of the videos. And of course, I also do other things, whether from motivational speaking, human resource training, life and career coaching. If you want any of those services, you can call me on +256 772 936361 or call Julia on +256 706 329 723 or Kabugo on +256 700 863086. Or you can go to my personal website, ethanmussolini.com. And of course, if you like this video, please click the like button, share it, and comment. Let me know what your thoughts are. And of course, I would encourage you to sign up on my social media channels like Facebook, which is facebook.com/Ethan Mussolini, my YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/Ethan Mussolini, and my Twitter handle is Ethan Mussolini. I'm also on LinkedIn with the same address, Ethan Mussolini. So see you then. Bye for now.